All right, how's everybody doing tonight? This just came in, so I wanted to share with you Marvel Studio Thunderbolts, the D23 Brazil special look. It's in theaters on May. So let's take a look at this trailer. I think they got some more stuff from Marvel coming in. But let's see what they got.
It's so big. You ever drive through Oklahoma? It's so flat.
You got a convoy approaching fast. Step on it.
All right, we got Red Guardian. Oh, he's got his own limo service.
Come on, baby.
Okay,
He ain't doing nothing. What?
Lexi!
Okay, don't worry. Engaging defensive measures.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Pull the shield!
Oh,
Is
Bucky.
that Bucky?
It's a Winter Soldier. That guy is so cool.
Oh, snap.
That's what I talk about.
That's not good.
How crazy is it to
that looked
think
good.
of all the
That scene looked
monumental
good.
fights that happened exactly here where you're standing? I mean, the place wasn't cheap, but it's got good optics. Look
They
at
got
you.
Stark Tower?
You're all so adorable.
Eat shit, Valentina.
Make up your mind.
The assignment is. Oh, wait, hang on. Assignment is complete.
Decide to walk with
What kind of super serum did you get?
I don't know, regular. Hydro.
Hydra. Oh, fancy.
Who's this old Santa?
The Red Guardian.
What?
Everyone here has done bad things. Shadow ops. Contract kills.
Ghost, that's good.
And you, former Red Room assassin. God only knows the blood on your hands.
Pretty ludicrous coming from the dime store Captain America.
I'll have you know I was actually the official Captain America, so.
Yeah, for like 2 seconds.
It's getting so tense in here.
Who is that?
Who are you?
I'm Bob.
I have no idea who Bob is.
We're just drifting. And we don't have purpose. You can't escape the past.
So you can either do something about it now, or live with it forever.
So what, we all just punch and shoot?
We are the Thunderbolts.
Can't call ourselves that.
Thank God.
The Thunderbolts. It's a cool name.
You need to call yourself the Dark Avengers. Anyway, that was good. That was a good trailer. Looks interesting. I don't know why when it was Falcon and the Winter Soldier, they nerfed Bucky like he couldn't do anything. He was struggling with the Wakandans. He was struggling with the fake Captain America, and then all of a sudden he's like moving vehicles with his arm. But looks good. Let me know if anybody knows who Bob is, because I have no idea. And I will be there to see that. Any questions, thoughts, comments, like, subscribe. do all the YouTube things, and let me know anything else you want me to look at. All right? Watchman Lee signing out.